up to Target looking like a Oompa Loompa. Oh no, we might be looking like a clown here. You want to be doing my Target haul? Went a little overboard. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Hannah. Today I'm going to do a little get ready with me / Target haul. My sister and I are going to go to Target for the first time today in 2 months. Neither of us have been inside a store or like a grocery store since quarantine started, so I think it's been 2 months, almost 3 months. We have been to like Starbucks and an outdoor ice cream store, but we haven't been inside a physical store in so long, and so I wanted to kind of get ready for that because it's an exciting moment, and I honestly haven't gotten like fully ready in so long. I'll do like a little bit of makeup every now and then, or I'll do my hair, but I'm always in like sweatpants. So today I decided to put on jeans, this cute little crop, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup with you guys. So if I'm looking up, it's because I'm gonna use the viewfinder on this camera or like the screen on this camera as a mirror, because I don't wanna look this way. So I'm gonna look up. First thing I'm gonna use is this Bareminerals Complexion Rescue. This is a tinted hydrating gel cream. I think it's also known as like a BB cream? A tinted, I don't know, it's like a tinted moisturizer. It has SPF 30 in it. I use this because I have really sensitive skin, and Bareminerals, like when I cake on a lot of makeup, it breaks out my skin, and Bareminerals, I know it's non-comedogenic, so yeah, I just go ahead and put this all over my face. Ooh. Splatter. I'm gonna put it on my cheeks, a little down here, a little here, a little here, a little here. I think you're supposed to rub this in with your fingers, but I use a beauty blender. I'll show you guys after I finish. Yeah, I think you're supposed to use your fingers and like rub it, but this has worked for me. I just get it a little bit damp, and then I go ahead and blend in the spots that I applied the tinted moisturizer to. I don't like rub super hard because it is like a tinted gel, so I know that if I rub it too hard, it's just honestly gonna come off. It's not like a foundation. I just like applied a little extra to the problem areas that I see. So like, I'm gonna blend it in my neck. Right here is a problem area. I have like some scars around my mouth. Whenever I break out around my mouth, they like leave scars, and I don't know if it's because I try not to pick at it, but sometimes I just can't help it, and it does leave marks, which is kind of annoying. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Bareminerals Bare Pro foundation. This is like a performance wear liquid foundation. I wear it in Cool Beige 10. Yeah, it just looks like this. And I'm gonna put it a little bit over my problem spots as well. Also, this is a forewarning, I am not like a makeup guru or a makeup person. I literally taught myself how to use makeup, and I don't wear that much of it, that probably none of this makes sense, and I'm probably putting it in places that it's not supposed to go in, but it works for me, you know? Just put it in the problem areas that I see. I don't even know if this is my shade anymore, to be honest. I'm just gonna blend that out. Make sure that I don't look orange, you feel me? I'm not trying to roll up to Target looking like a Oompa Loompa. That would suck. Alright, so now that my foundation is completely applied, I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of bronzer, just to make me look a little bit more tan. I'm not going to put too much of it on. Like you see, I use this, Bareminerals again, obviously, Bareminerals bronzer in the shade Warmth. I went to Ulta right before quarantine happened, and I honestly had them, I bought a bunch of stuff, and I had them fit the colors to my face, like what looks best on me. I'm not a huge fan of this bronzer. I think the color is kind of weird. I might invest in a different one once everything's over and I can go back into the stores to test it out, because this one, like, I don't know if I'm applying it wrong or if it's just like too dark or it just looks like orangey, but because of that, I only apply a little bit. Suck in like this. I look like a fish. But I apply it on my cheekbones here. Just blend it out. But so you can see it kind of looks like orangey. Is it supposed to look like that? If anyone's a makeup guru, like, please let me know. I'm probably making you guys cringe by doing this, but that's okay. Do it a little on my nose, because that's what I see everyone doing. Do it on my forehead. Cool. I think I'm gonna blend it out a little bit with the bottom of this. Those cheekbones look snatched. But do you see what I mean by the color? I don't know if I'm in love with it, but it's all we got, folks. That's all we got for now. I'm so excited for this. I just got the Cloud Paint like liquid blush from Glossier, and it's called Puff, but it's like the super pretty pink color, and I haven't used it yet. I tested it out on my arm, but I haven't used it on my cheeks, and I'm excited to see what it looks like. I'm also nervous because I don't know how to use liquid blush. So you just go in like this. I think you're supposed to use your finger though. Oh no, we might be looking like a clown here, folks. Does that look like do I look like I got sunburned? Oh, it like looks good. Okay. Okay, Glossier, I see you. Wow. It gives you like a nice little summer glow. Like, you know, like it looks like I was just out in the sun and got a tan. I didn't because it's raining outside, but you can fool people with it. That's really pretty, and it's very subtle. That's what I like about it, is it's subtle. It's not like I have this other one from Bareminerals with this, and I use this brush to apply it, and sometimes it comes out like super dark or it just looks weird. But I really, really like this. Wow. A nice little sun-kissed look. Oh, I forgot a part. This is what I say when I'm not good at makeup. I'm gonna put on a little bit of this. I always forget what this is called. The stuff that you put under your eyes. I forgot about what this was called in the last video too, and I, for the life of me, could not think of it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit under my eyes. This is probably not how you're supposed to apply it, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Blend it out. Blended, 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 blended. It's not my favorite. It's like the Bareminerals Fair Light Warm. It's not my favorite, I will have to say. I feel like it gets really creasy. I know you're supposed to like probably setting my face or spraying it or whatever would help get rid of the creases, but I just don't do that, and so I would like to find one that eliminates the creases without me having to like set my face and do all of that whole long process, you feel? All right, next thing we're gonna go in is I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna brush my eyebrows out. Fun fact, I do not get my eyebrows done. They just look like this. I am kind of scared to get them done because I'm afraid they're gonna like mess them up. I don't really have eyebrows as it is, so if they cut them all off, then I really won't have eyebrows. It's like a fear. It's like a very weird fear of mine. The thing I'm gonna do for my brows is I'm gonna go in with this Glossier Boy Brow. I got it in the clear color. Just looks like this. I previously had the blonde color, and I felt like it was just maybe too dark for my eyebrows, or like it wasn't what I was going for when I wanted to go for like a natural glowy look. So I went ahead and I ordered the clear, and I haven't tried it yet. This is the first time I'm using it, so you guys will get a little sneak peek on camera. Okay, no, I like it. It just looks super natural. It just like keeps them in place. It keeps the shape, but it like makes them look super natural. Next thing we're going in with is this Glossier mascara. It's their Lash Lick mascara. I'm pretty sure it's the only mascara that they have. I have just been loving all of the Glossier products lately. I just feel like they look super like natural, and they don't make my face break out, which I really appreciate, and it's a very good, these are like very good products. I'm gonna go in with the mascara. I just shimmy up the mascara. I start at the bottom and shimmy up, so. And that is what the mascara looks like on. For the final touch, we have the Glossier Lip Gloss. I just get it in like the clear lip gloss. I don't get the tinted one. I think there's like a pink tinted one. I just get clear, but I think it just looks so like natural, and it makes my lips pop. I already have like very like semi-big lips. I don't get lip fillers or anything. I was just born this way. Makes my lips look extra plump. And that is the final product. We're just going for that little glowy, natural makeup look. This is the makeup that I would do every single day if I was going out and about normally, but I'm not, so I haven't been doing this every day, obviously. Now my sister and I are gonna get ready to go to Starbucks and Target, and I will show you guys what we got when we get back. Okay, so I went to Target for the first time in 3 months, and that was a really weird experience. Half people were wearing masks and gloves, other half were not wearing masks and gloves. My sister and I wore masks and gloves, but end of the day, we got everything we needed. I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. 4 bags of goodies here. I'm excited for this. First bag, this is a good thing to start with. We have the essentials, because I bought 2 bags of these because I'm running out and I don't want to have to go back to the store to get them, and these are essential and I know I'm gonna use them anyway, so we bought 2 boxes. If you're a girl, you know you know. Next thing I bought is 2 cans of, okay, he just sat on my Target stuff. Okay, so now we have the haul starring Gunner. You want to be doing my Target haul? My hair has been really gross even after I take a shower. Dry shampoo has literally been my savior. I normally get the different kind of dry shampoo, but I just got this. It's the Batiste brand, but I got Clean and Light and Bar. Yeah, I got 2 cans of these. Essential. Next thing I got are coffee. I got 4 different kinds of coffee. 4, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. 4. I got iced coffee from Starbucks because blonde roast, because I really just miss having iced coffee from Starbucks. I want to try this chameleon cold brew, organic cold brew, because I've heard really good things about it. I love Pete's. If you've never been to Pete's, definitely would recommend if you have one near you. I got Pete's iced espresso, black and white. And then I've heard really good things about La Colombe, so I got La Colombe draft latte with oat milk. And I'm thinking about doing a video taste testing a bunch of different coffees that can come in cans, since I think people are trying to get these more that they can't go to like coffee shops. So if you want to see that video, let me know, because it might be coming soon. Went a little overboard. Next thing I got is a candle. Duh. I got this Nature's Wick teak wood candle. Kind of smells like Hollister / Abercrombie, if you've ever been there, but it has like a little honey scent to it. We were able to smell the candles through our masks, which I'm not sure if that's concerning or not, but we were able to do it. So I got a candle because I only had like 2 candles left and I needed more. I got makeup wipes because essential. Some razor heads. I got 2 things of razor heads so I didn't have to go out and buy them again. I got face wash and face lotion because I was running out of both of them. I got this morning facial moisturizing lotion. It has SPF 30 in it, and I've heard that you're supposed to put SPF on at least once a day, and I haven't been doing that to protect my face. So I bought the CeraVe lotion that I always get, but the morning AM with SPF 30 in it to help hopefully protect my skin a little more. Last 3 things that I got are little things. I got Burt's Bees chapstick because I lose chapsticks. I can't keep track of them to save my life, and the last one that I have is in my car. And I got these cute earrings. I thought they would be so cute with like a white tee or a little white dress with pink accents in it. Like, I don't know. I just thought they were really cute. Last but not least, I got a new nail polish color. I got the OPI. I don't know if you can really see the color on camera, but I got the OPI, this like blue color. It's called Gelato on My Mind, which if you know me, you know my obsession with ice cream. This is very fitting. But yeah, this is the last thing I got, since I figured I'd give myself an at-home manicure, pedicure. This is the whole collection. A lot of random things, but a lot of essential things. But yeah, that's it for this video. I know it was short, but I hope it was fun for you guys because I like virtually shopping through other people and I love seeing hauls. And I hadn't been to Target in forever, and if you haven't been to Target in forever, you can live vicariously through me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.